One, two, whoa! We're at the Benihana. I'm not sure where that door leads to. That seems to be the entrance right here. You want to open the door and say welcome to the Benihana? Can you say it? Say it.
Welcome to Benihana.
Too much saucy. Great value instantly, right? Benihana secrets, don't tell anybody.
Ready? One, two,
Now I got a choo-choo train, we're gonna go
You say it.
So we just got back to the hotel and back from the Benihana's, and I'd say pretty cool experience. Now we had the type places up our way. One, but actually they all have closed at this point. So going to Benihana was definitely reminded me of the old times of the cooking in front of you, the hibachi style. So it was good. Check it out here in Stuart, Florida. If you're in the area, it's not really many restaurants near this resort, so that's one of the only restaurants you can go to. So it actually works out pretty good. So it's right down the street, over the bridge, and there you go. So there you go. Just keep in mind there's a lot of stairs in there too. So if you have problems walking up and down, let them know. They can bring you through the back entrance. But I never really heard of Benihana before until I seen The Wolf of Wall Street, and they were talking about how Benihana got him in trouble with some stock exchange and stuff. But
Me. Something about laundering drug money through offshore boat racing and a guy named Rocky Aoki. You know, the founder of Benihana? Benihana? Benny fucking Hana? Benny fucking Hana? Why? Why, God? Why would you be so cruel as to choose a chain of fucking hibachi restaurants to take me down?
yeah, other than that, it's a pretty good time. So leave comments below, let us know what you think, and give us a like, and we'll see you guys soon. Yeah, be sure to subscribe too, so you can always be up to date with all our videos. See you guys later. Bye.